Okay, today I'm going to take a look at the foldable fishing net. This is it here, and just folds out real easy like that. It is a total length of 28 inches when it's folded out, and it's 16.9 inches when it's folded in. So to fold it in, you just do that. It folds around. You can fold up real easy like that. Goes in your backpack or wherever. Very nice, easy to use. When you're ready to deploy, you got your fish on the line, you just whip her out there, and it's got a big net. Put big fish in there. It's very strong, good ABS plastic, very lightweight. It does have a carry handle with a little clip on it, so you can clip it on so you don't lose it in your boat or on the side of the water. This is definitely a nice net. I definitely recommend it.